Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I style my pixie hair. So let's get straight into it. So I've washed my hair and now I'm just applying leave-in conditioner. This is the Cantu leave-in conditioner and I'm applying this all over my hair. So the next product I'm going in with is this olive oil ORS hair moisturizing lotion. So basically it's to obviously it's to moisturize my hair. Yes, so I'm just going to apply some of this all over my hair as well. The next product I'm going in with is a cream of nature argan oil from Morocco Style and Shine foaming mousse. So this is what I used to use all over my hair before I wrap it up. So it helps to create soft wraps and all that. So I'm using this all over my hair and I'm using like a generous amount. So after applying this all over the hair, I go in with, yeah, I'm still applying some more. Like I said, you apply a generous amount over your hair. So after saturating my hair with the mousse, I start to create my mold. So I'm like combing my hair into place with a very small comb, and I'm trying to create some finger waves, but I'm still a learner. I suck at it. So that's it. I'm just creating finger waves there at that edge, and then brushing my hair as well into place before I wrap it up. So now my mold is in place, and the next step is to take a brush and just brush it to make sure it's seamless and as smooth as possible. So finally, the last step before I go to bed is I wrap my hair with this mesh, yeah, with a velcro, so it puts my mold in place before I go on to wrapping the rest, like the entire hair, with a scarf, and that's a brown scarf like that. So yeah, I forgot to mention, I always do this process, like if I want to style my hair, I do it the night before. So I go to bed like this, and by morning it's dry and ready. I do this because I haven't got a dryer, like a big dryer to dry my hair with, and I can't be bothered, like, I mean, using a handheld dryer to dry my hair. So this just works for me, and it's like, I mean, it's just what works for me. So now the next step is to do what? Go to bed. So I'll see you guys in the morning. So now it's time to style the hair. So I'm going to unwrap this scarf. I'm going to take this off, and then this, let's see what that bowl looks like. That's what the mold looks like. It's, does that look good? I can rock this look for the day, but I'm just going to style it. This is like the 1/2 inch straightener, and then this is a 1 inch straightener, so I'm going to use both of them in today's tutorial. So the next thing I'll do is I'll take my serum, like a bit of, I'll take my serum, then apply all over the hair. This will help give my hair a shine when I am done styling it. Then I will just comb it out to enable me style the hair easily like that. I'll use a bit more of serum, so I'm using the John Frieda extra strength serum. So, and it has heat protection as well. So it says it hydrates, thins, then smooths, and humidity protection. With the 1-inch straightener, I'll start from this part. So I then my hair is really due for a trim. So that's one. Then for the side, for this bit, because I have this pattern, so I will curl it this way to emphasize my side parts. So for this area, there's no particular direction. Sometimes I'll coil it backwards. Most times I'll coil it backwards or to the side. So I'm going to apply some of this beeswax all over the hair, just a little bit, so that it will give it that hold. Then there we go. Ooh, it's quite hard, so you massage it in and then just crunch it into, I just crunch it into the curls. This helps keep my curls in place. And I'll take a little bit too and just add it around this area. And then I'll take this comb. This, if you have PIXIE, or if you intend cutting your hair and then rocking like PIXIE styles, you definitely need this kind of comb. So I'm going to use this to like loosen the curls a bit, loosen up the curls like so. My hair is really long. I need to go in for a trim. Or if you haven't got this comb, then you can use your fingers to loosen the curls and then there. So that's about how I style my PIXIE. Hopefully I will be coming up with more videos on like how to style how I style my pixies. I'm looking forward to, you know, making more videos on like to show you guys other styles, other ways to style your pixie cut. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you've got any suggestions on like videos you'd want to see on my channel, don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and bye.